So you made a commit and you realize you made a mistake. Maybe there's just a small typo. So you fix that typo, and once you're happy with your fix, you want your last commit to change to the actual change that you wanted to make to your code. So you look at the status, do one last diff, and then you add that last change. Now what you need to do is a git commit -- amend -- no edit. And once you do that, you will see that committing will change that last commit to the change you just made. Taking one last look, clear the screen, do a git show head, which is the last commit, and you see that your change is right there the way you wanted it to be. Looking at the before and after, we can see that the commit has changed and that our actual change in our script is what we wanted it to be.